In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to customers in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, and sending invoices via email is a simple yet powerful feature to keep your cash flow on track. Whether you're sending an invoice for the first time or following up with a friendly reminder, knowing how to do this efficiently can save you time and help you maintain great communication with your customers. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Sales section in QuickBooks Online. On the left-hand panel, you'll find a menu with different options. Just click on the one labeled Sales. Once you're there, move over to the Invoices tab. This is where you'll see a complete list of all your invoices. You can check their statuses, due dates, and amounts all in one convenient place. Next, locate the specific invoice you want to email. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found the right invoice, look for the small caret icon right next to it. This is a downward pointing arrow that opens a Quick Actions menu when you click on it. From this menu, you'll have two options, Send or Send Reminder. If this is the first time you're emailing the invoice or you want to resend the full invoice, choose Send. However, if the invoice is still unpaid and you simply want to give the customer a gentle nudge, select Send Reminder instead. Both options are straightforward, so choose the one that fits your purpose best. After you've made your selection, an email window will pop up. Start by reviewing the From field to ensure that the email address being used to send the invoice is correct. This is especially important if you manage multiple email addresses or accounts within QuickBooks Online. Next, double-check the To field. Make sure your customer's email address is accurate and up to date. A typo here could delay your communication, so it's worth taking a moment to verify. Now, take a look at the subject line. QuickBooks will automatically generate one for you, but it's always a good idea to review it. Make sure it clearly mentions the invoice number, so your customer can easily recognize what the email is about. If you'd like, you can also customize the email body. This is a great opportunity to add a friendly note or provide additional context for your customer. For instance, you might thank them for their business or let them know you're available to answer any questions they might have. Before you hit send, take a moment to review any attachments. QuickBooks will typically include a PDF of the invoice, but it's always a good idea to double-check that the correct file is attached and ready to go. Finally, proofread everything. This includes the tone of your email, all the details about the invoice, and any additional notes you've added. If you're sending a reminder, make sure your message is polite and professional to maintain a positive relationship with your customer. Once you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and click Send. QuickBooks will then log this activity in the invoice timeline. This means you'll be able to see exactly when the email was sent, and in some cases when the customer views it. This is a handy feature for keeping track of your communications. And that's it. You've successfully emailed an invoice to your customer using QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.